Hey guys, it's Kevin, State & Co. Truck Insurance. Christmas came early this year for Tesla and PepsiCo. On December 1st at Tesla Gigafactory in Nevada, Musk finally delivered the keys to its first mass production electrical Class 8 semi-truck to PepsiCo's CEO. And this is after years and years of delays because the initial delivery date was supposed to be 2019, and then blaming on the battery, material shortages. 3 years later, finally Tesla delivered. And this truck, according to specifications, when fully charged and loaded up to 82,000 pounds, can drive anywhere from 300 to 500 miles. The company engineers made statements that the trucks were tested in California and successfully completed trips ranging that 500-mile radius. As far as charging the truck, it takes about half an hour to charge it up to 70% of the battery capacity. The truck, will result, and again, according to Tesla, over a 3-year period, will save anywhere about 150 to $200,000 in fuel costs, and this is based off California, numbers where the diesel is pretty expensive, although the electricity is still about 2.5 times cheaper. As far as the price of this truck and when it's going to be available for truckers and owner operators is still unclear. According to 2017 announcement, the truck that has a range of 300, 500 miles will cost anywhere from 150 to 180,000 miles. But that's kind of doubtful, remembering the Tesla Model 3. The initial claims were that this car, anybody can purchase for around $30,000, and I believe it's like $45,000, $50,000 today. So the expectations are that the price of this truck will be well over $200,000. And that's all I have for today. Stay tuned. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Bye.